The circle is so nice. So it's polished, it's fast, and you can show good results in this circle. The weather, the atmosphere, the forest, the clean air, and good facilities like weightlifting. You see how beautiful it is. You have everything here, and no people in the circle. My bronze medal in my luggage, which is lost, so I don't feel, I don't understand that I was in European Championship, but I can tell you about the result. It's a middle season, so 79 it's like quite middle, okay result for me, and enough for the medal, what is most important on championships like this. We also have a World Ultimate Championship in Budapest, so the season is continuous. This season I made a great result with 82 meters. So for now it's okay, good. There are so many things that you can achieve that I still don't have. I mean, like medals like silver, maybe even higher like gold. I mean, first Olympic Games was when I was 20. I was fourth place. Then in 23 I became bronze medalist, and in 2028 I'll be 27. And as you know, for hammer throw, it starts from 25 years old until 35, 40 years old. So there is a lot of time, and I hope everything will be good, and I will grow with muscles, with technique, with my brain. I become more technical, stronger. So it's a good time for hammer throw, 27 years old. My father is my coach, and also he trains my sister, Melania, who is European under-18 champion this year. It's not so many people, because usually I train not in Ukraine, somewhere in Europe, in Turkey, where I based in Antalya. The federation helps me with some products for the muscle regeneration, like lympho pants and something like this. So for now it's okay. Maybe in the future I will need someone who will touch me every day.